Question is question number 6. The square of the hypotenuse of an isosceles triangle is 200 centimeters square centimeter. Find the length of each side. Now isosceles right triangle, that means an isosceles triangle which is having two sides of equal length, and it is also right triangle, that means between these two equal sides there is a right angle. Let a triangle ABC is an isosceles right triangle in which the two equal sides are of equal length A. Then according to Pythagoras theorem, h square equals to p square plus b square. So when we write in place of this h square 200 square centimeter, it gives us a square plus a square, as we have assumed that the line of length of equal sides is a. So it gives us 200 square centimeter equals to 2a square, or a square equals to 100 square centimeter. By taking the square root of both the sides, we can write a equals to 10 centimeter. The lengths of two sides of a triangle are 5 centimeter and 12 centimeter. Between which two numbers can length of third side fall? Now we are going to take the help of the two statements which we have seen in the starting of the class. The sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. So we are going to take 5 centimeter plus 12 centimeter, which is 17 centimeter. That means the third side is thus less than 17 centimeter. The second statement is the difference of two sides is always less than the third side. So now we are finding the difference between the two sides. 12 centimeter minus 5 centimeter, which is equal to 7 centimeter. That means the third side is more than 7 centimeter. It shows that the third side could be any length greater than 7 centimeter and less than 17 centimeter. The last question is, find the perimeter of a rectangle whose length is 40 centimeter and its diagonal is 41 centimeter. Let ABCD be a rectangle where AB equals to 40 centimeter and AC, which is the diagonal of the rectangle, is 41 centimeter. And this will be the hypotenuse, as we know the property of a rectangle that the angle between the two adjacent sides is of 90 degree or a right angle. So in this part of the rectangle we can take the help of Pythagoras theorem. So by using it, here AC equals to hypotenuse, AB equals to the base, and BC equals to the perpendicular. So by using h square equals to p square plus b square, when we substitute the values, it gives us square of 41 centimeter equals to p square plus square of 40 centimeter. It gives us 1681 square centimeter equals to p square plus 1600 square centimeter, which gives the value of p as 9 centimeter, which is the breadth of the rectangle. Now perimeter of a rectangle is equals to 2 bracket L plus V, that is length plus breadth. So 2 bracket 40 centimeter plus 9 centimeter gives us 2 into 49 centimeter. That means the perimeter of the rectangle is 98 centimeter.